When you first start, you should make sure your iron is nice and clean. Wipe it on the damp sponge. Apply a little bit of solder just to what we call tin it. Then wipe it on the sponge again, and we're now set with a nice clean tip. We're going to put in a component. This is a diode. Bend the wires. Insert diode into the board. Just push it through gently. There it is, sitting on the board, correct way. Turn it round. Bend the wires in it to stop it falling out. There we are. We're ready to solder that component. Take your soldering bolt, give it another little bit of a clean. Take the bolt, place it beside the component, wire and the pad, leave it there for a few seconds. Bring in your solder, take the solder away, remove the iron, perfect joint. Let's do that with the other lead. Clean the tip. Tip goes to the wire in the pad. Feed in. Don't need a lot of solder. Take the solder away, take the iron away. Now I want to tidy up. Take the snips, take off that wire, take off that wire. Now have a finished unit, and there's the diode on the other side.